Game and 1-0. Kotoko now would have to see they can strike. Yo! What a goal! This is marvelous! Ah! Amazing strike there, Kumasi Asante. What goals are they scoring today? Wow! Absolutely presumptuous. Did you see that? Did you see that? Albert Amoah dragging the ball back here. And then when the opportunity, it is Albert Amoah again. 2 goals from Albert Amoah. And all his goals are absolutely top draw. Now he gets applauded for his effort. He gets every applauded, Albert Amoah. What a goal. Game and 1-0. Kotoko now would have to see they can strike. Yo! What a goal! This is marvelous! Ah! Amazing strike there, Kumasi Asante. What goals are they scoring today? Wow! Absolutely presumptuous. Did you see that? Did you see that? Albert Amoah dragging the ball back here. And then when the opportunity, it is Albert Amoah again. 2 goals from Albert Amoah. And all his goals are absolutely top draw. He gets applauded for his effort. He gets every applauded, Albert Amoah. What a goal.
But the most valuable player in today's game, Seth Kojo, also getting a goal in this one. Now, Seth, how important is this victory to Asante Kotoko?
I think it's a massive win, and I mean, it will boost our morale. Because it has been our ambition to win this year's league. And this win will motivate us going to the Super Clash.
Yeah. And now take me through your goal. I mean, it was a beautifully planted header. Most players would want to cushion it for someone, but you pick your spot well. What was going through your mind when the ball came to you?
It's something we've practiced throughout the week at training. Yes, so it wasn't anything new to me and to the team.
Of course. And this win, next week you're playing hard to folk. How important is this win going into that game?
As I said earlier, it will boost our confidence and our morale going to the Super Clash.
Now, what do you have for the fans? Are you beating hard to folk?
We are assuring them they should come and support us, and we will not disappoint them.
Well, let's see what happens next week. It is the Super Clash, and Seth Kojo is a man who was adjudged the most valuable player in Tuesday.